If you're trying to find out how you can verify your Facebook account, then you're watching the right video, because in this video I'm going to show you the exact process that you need to follow to successfully verify and add in a verified badge on your Facebook account. If this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you keep watching it until the end, and let's get right into it. Firstly, you need to tap on the menu on the top right. From this menu you can scroll down and tap on help and support. Once you tap on help and support, this menu will again open up. Tap on help center and then tap on this search bar, and here you need to just search for verification. Tap on the verification option and you'll get some of the options. You need to tap on the first one, which says request a verified badge on Facebook. If you tap on this option, you can see some of the criteria that you need and some of the information that you need to know before you apply for the verified badge of Facebook. So you can take a look at this, and you need to match the criteria before you apply. Once you have all of the criteria matched, you can now tap on, you can fill in this form. So just tap on this link. In the next section you can see a form that you need to fill in. So firstly, select what are you trying to verify, either if it's your page or your profile. In the next step, you need to select the type of document that you have so that you can verify your identity or your authenticity. So select the document that you want to use to verify yourself, and then upload a picture of it by tapping on choose files, and upload the picture from your device. You'll need to tell them something about the category that you're on and the type of content and audience that you have. So firstly, select the type of category that you're in, and then type in your country in this box. Type in the type of audience that follow you. So as you can see, you can take a look at this description if you don't know what you need to type in. So it says describe the people who follow your page or profile, include who they are, what they're interested in, and why they follow you. So once you type that in, you can also type in your any other name. So if you're known as any other name on any other social media, you can type it in. And lastly, you can add in different kinds of links to your social media platforms. So we can add in up to 5 links and then tap on send. Once you send this in, and once you have all the criteria matched, you will have the verified badge on your Facebook account. So that's the exact process that you need to verify your Facebook account. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.